Zhongshan 168 Craft Experience. Hello. Excuse me.
Hello.
How should I address you?
Hi. I'm Tina.
Oh, hello, Tina.
Hello.
I just walked by outside and saw your sign. These craft experiences.
Yes, we have DIY experience.
Do we have to wait long?
No need. We can do it right away.
Great. Take me there.
You can come and experience it. Come with me.
Sure. Tina, I didn't expect your craft experience to be related to clocks, right?
Yes, actually, we're a watch shop.
No wonder when I walked in, I noticed your walls are filled with clocks, right?
Yes, speaking of what I have collected in the past up to now, we provide repair services when we open our watch shop.
Oh, I
And
get
then we'll
it.
hear many customer stories. So I just wanted to tell the story and let the guests know.
I believe those who come to repair their clocks must find clocks to be particularly meaningful, right?
Yes, well, I have prepared these materials today. Like everyone has worn a watch, but probably has not seen or touched any parts inside. So today we're going to make our own unique clock.
Oh, cool.
Well, the little gadgets are all left here by our previous repair artists. They're putting in some little parts.
Oh, so many things.
Right, yeah, and that's the heart of the watch.
So cute. The movement.
The heart. Well, it can all be seen as a skill of our time.
Okay. I was just attaching this part and I noticed your building is quite special. Its design doesn't seem like a typical place for clock repairs or watch repair shops. Where did this place come from?
Well, actually, it belongs to an old warehouse of the Taiwan Railway. It's already 69 years old.
Oh, okay, from the railway.
Well, in early stages, it was used for holding bags of cement. Sure, there are also people that treat it as a factory, a place to store goods, until we open it up and let everyone come into this place.
Oh, I think this is a great idea. Because, like, when I usually take the train, we're always rushing to check the train schedule, right? It's like trains and time have a strong connection. Trains and clocks.
Yeah, well, timekeeping is very important.
But at least here, we don't have to rush. We can fully enjoy this experience.
Yeah, well, let's not rush.
Right.
Well, we have some stories of customers repairing clocks. For example, there's one customer, his father-in-law passed away, so his wife was very sad all the time. At that time, his father-in-law gave them a clock. And he brought it in for repair, thinking that perhaps bringing it back, his wife would be happily repaired of those happy memories. Well, there's so many stories like this constantly happening in this place.
When I was a kid, we had a cuckoo clock at home in Brazil. Cuckoo, cuckoo. It was hung on the wall, and almost every day we'd hear its chime. Now I think if I have kids one day, we probably won't have this cuckoo clock. And it makes me feel like I've lost something important, because I think clocks are truly full of warmth. This time coming to Zhongshan 168 has been really special, because on their wall there's a sentence that says, they're not just repairing watches, they're actually restoring memories. I think that sentence is very heartfelt. Located in the old Taiwan Railways community, Zhongshan 168 is a great place for everyone to slow down. Zhunan's uniquely blessed convenient railway transportation has also led to the rise of various industries. Okay, it's almost your turn. Zhunan's unique dairy industry produces cheese that's renowned across Taiwan. Let's go. Follow us to the hometown of cheese.
Hi, welcome.
Thank you. Wow, I walked over from outside and noticed how cute this place is.
Yeah, we have cattle and we produce milk.
And you also have a cheese story museum.
Yes. Well, that's because we used to make milk. And later on, we discovered that there was too much milk in the winter. And we need to turn it into a different product.
Oh.
And then we thought to ourselves, why not make it into a cheese?
So, do I have a chance to go inside?
Of course.
Thank you.
Welcome, welcome.
Okay.
Well, come and experience it.
Wow.
It's a very big cow.
So cute. Now I feel like I've entered an amazing laboratory.
Yes,
What are you doing here?
mozzarella cheese.
This is delicious. Do I have a chance to try it?
Yes, of course.
Okay, where do we start? Whoa! This is...
Mozzarella cheese.
No way!
Yes,
The real thing?
yes,
It looks like tofu.
yes,
Can I touch it?
sure.
I thought it would be cold, but it's actually a bit warm. So, what do we do now?
We're going to cut it into strips about 10 centimeters wide, one by one, and then throw it into the machine.
With this big knife?
Yeah, it's not too hard.
No. Well, a little bit. It's not bad, actually. Yeah. Wait a second. It's quite heavy.
Yeah.
It has weight. So dense.
Wow.
Okay, where does this go?
Here, next we'll throw it into this machine.
Into this hole?
Yeah, just throw it in here.
Okay. That's it?
Yeah, just push it in. It'll fall down on its own.
Whoa! Where does it go?
This is where the machine will need it.
Will it fall down?
Yeah, after it melts, it goes from the top, cut, melted, and then transported with hot water. The machine needs it here.
So this area is responsible for melting it?
Yes, cutting and melting.
Wow, it really falls down.
Yeah, it mixes.
Mixing.
After mixing, it stretches and then compresses back. It's mixing pattern.
Oh, it's like a rubber band.
Yes.
And finally, it comes out like this.
Sure, sure.
I can touch this, right? This feels different from the earlier one. This seems more elastic.
Yes, because it's been heated.
Oh, yeah. Wow. So cool. So after this stage, it reaches this stage, right?
Yes,
And then it turns into a stick.
a stick.
Then let it cool.
Yes.
This is ice. I didn't expect that the mozzarella cheese we often eat requires so many people working together to make it to the table. Indeed, this fresh and direct deliciousness is incredibly hard-earned, and another common cheese, Gouda, requires a long time to air dry, be rubbed with vinegar to prevent mold, and then aged to develop its unique flavor. Ah, it feels so fresh.
Try it. It's so fresh. Isn't it delicious?
Oh, it's really good. Personally, I prefer this milk. Like many of my friends before, they used powder milk, which doesn't feel the same. This is much better.
Yes, well, this morning it's freshly squeezed milk.
The freshest.
Totally fresh.
But let me ask you, besides milk, you have many other products, right?
Yes. Well, in this case, it's mozzarella.
The one I just cut?
Yep. You made this today. Try it, just try it now. Savor it slowly.
It's delicious.
Well, try this Gouda cheese and see how it tastes.
The color is beautiful.
Well, this Gouda cheese has already matured for over a year. It tastes a bit like aged Gouda.
Smells like heaven. Heaven.
Try it. Well, people overseas, they like to use this Gouda cheese and to have red wine with their meal.
This Gouda cheese is also something my mom loves.
Oh, I see.
Then let me ask, why did you choose Zhunan to open a ranch and produce these dairy products?
Well, there are many hillsides in Zhunan. I bought a piece of sloping land to start raising cows, and the residents here would like to order our milk, and we're ready in the morning, delivered directly to their house. They have fresh milk to drink.
Let me ask you, it feels like there are many tourists here. Families come here to have fun. Has this place become a tourist attraction?
Yes, correct. Well, besides that, we also show people how to produce our milk, and we created an immersive theater experience, like a day in the life of a dairy farmer. You should go and experience it, like how to raise cows, and it's very interactive. And there's also some pizza do-it-yourself. Everyone is very welcome.
I think this is a fantastic idea because people mostly live in big cities.
Oh, for sure.
But you've designed a place where people can experience the entire process from start to finish. It's actually a very interesting concept, especially for kids. I think it's very important.
Totally. Well, hurry up and eat while it's still hot. Our pizzas are getting cold.
Okay. After tasting all kinds of fresh dairy products, I feel so satisfied.